Tinakpan ko yan pag inakit.
Sabi mo kanina, marami ng accidents na... May mga ilang kissing scene na ba yung accident? And hindi nyo kayo kahit 1 or 2 days.
Yung date mismo, hindi ko alam eh.
Or episodes.
Paano ba? There were some kasi na parang... Siguro we would get really, really close. Alam mo yun. Pag super lapit ka nun, namely the hospital. Because parang yun yung eksena ni Althea at Jade na parang, alam mo yun, yung gusto na talaga nila. Gusto na talaga nila mag-kiss. Pero, may spy. Pero may pumasok na spy. First hopia. Ano pa ba? Well, so far yun pa lang naman. Other accidents naman. Yung other accidents, yung hindi connected sa kiss. More on, mga personal bloopers namin pagka... Weird nga nagkaka-bloopers kami kapag crying scene. Kasi pag medyo intense, ano yun, yung hindi na namin may isip itsura namin. Basta I don't wanna explain it kasi parang nakakahiya eh. Wala nang hiya.
Tayo lang!
Basta parang may mga nangyayari na alam mo yun, pag nahuwapoys kami, tapos, yung pagka-super ugly crying. And then, basta, there are just things na you don't want people to see on television when you do things with your face. I don't want to talk about it.